Good morning, Donnie. I hope you're doing well today. It's already 19 to 5, and we were supposed to begin our coordination meeting at 9 sharp. I can't see winners in the participant list yet, and this is starting to affect our schedule. We really need to start developing a sense of time management across the team. Punctuality is part of our professionalism.
Good morning, Previa. I understand completely. I actually tried to reach out to Wines around 9:05 when she didn't join the Zoom call. She replied a few minutes later and said she was having connection problem again. Apparently, she also couldn't come to campus this morning due to some personal matter. She mentioned she would join remotely once her connection stabilized, but it's already been almost half an hour.
That's not good. This is the second week in a row that she hasn't attended the on-campus session. If made it clear that our hybrid meetings require at least partial physical attendance, especially for presentation like today's. We need to ensure all members show up, whether physically or virtually on time. Otherwise, it becomes difficult to manage coordination and deliverables.
I agree. I think Venus really means well, but she been struggling with some technical and personal issue lately. Yesterday, she texted me saying that her younger sister wasn't feeling well, so she had to help at home. She's been trying to balance work and family commitment. Still, you're right. We need her to be more proactive in communication so that we can plan accordingly.
Sadly, emergencies happen, and I can understand that. What's frustrating? What What's frustrating is when we only find out at the last minute. That forced everyone else to readjust and cover her touch on short notice. We're not just students. We're being re- we're being trained to act professionally. Timeliness and responsibility are key business value.
Hi everyone, I finally made it. I'm so sorry for joining late. My Wi-Fi went down right before the meeting started, and I had to switch to my mobile data. I really don't expect this to happen again. I also want to apologize for not coming to campus today. There's a personal situation at home I had to handle this morning. I didn't want to skip the meeting entirely, so I made sure I could at least join remotely.
Good morning, Wines. I appreciate that you still join despite the situation. But this kind of thing needs to be communicated earlier. We start at 90 o'clock, and when someone joins almost 30 minutes late, it delay everyone else work. I expect you to physically present presentation schedule.
Yes, I remember. I take full responsibility and I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. I didn't plan to be late, but my morning was chaos. My sister's health issue came up unexpectedly, and then the internet stopped working. I was actually panicked because I didn't want to disappoint you both or make it seem like as I was committed.
It's alright, Venus. Things like this happen sometimes. The important part is that you're here now and willing to take responsibility. Just to update you, we've already gone through the timeline review and discussed the task distribution for next week. We've made some changes to ensure all deliverables are aligned for before Friday submission.
Thanks for updating me, Doni. Could you share the revised timeline in the chat? I will go through it right away. I've already completed the first draft of the creative slides for the client pitch, but I haven't had a chance to upload them because of the connection issue earlier. I will make sure to send them to the drive or after this call.
That's good to hear. Please double check that your creative section aligns with the analytic and key message that Tony prepared. Consistency across visuals and data will make our proposal more professional. I expect the complete file ready by the end of the day.
Understood. I will make that my top priority today. I've already refined the layout, improved the visual hierarchy, and adjust the tone to match the client branding. I will also proof the caption to ensure they are concise and persuasive.
That's great, Vines. Once you upload the visual, I'll integrate them with the update content metrics. That way, the final deck will be consistent and ready for review. I'll also handle the formatting and maintain a uniform look across all slides.
Perfect. That's the teamwork I expect. Still, Wines, I want to emphasize the importance of being ready ahead of time, especially when you're responsible for a key part of the presentation. It's essential to anticipate possible problems like poor connection or schedule conflict. In a professional environment, reliability builds trust, and trust is everything.
You are so absolutely right, Previa. I've been reflecting on that. I know being late or missing on site session send the wrong message. Even if it's unintentional, I will start preferring everything a day in advance. From now on, I will also find a more stable internet backup so this does happen again.
That's a smart move. Having a backup plan really helps. I always download the meeting materials offline before every session, just in case the Wi-Fi goes down. It's a small step but saves a lot of stress.
Good advice, Doni. That's the kind of preparation everyone should practice. Wines, I do appreciate your honesty and accountability today. Let's just make sure we all learn from this experience. Our goal isn't just to finish text but to develop habits that reflect professionalism.
Absolutely. I appreciate your feedback, Previa, and your passion as well. And thank you, Doni, for covering for me earlier. I will make sure to replay the favor next time. I really don't want my issue to slow down the team is progress.
No worries, Venus. We are a team. We help each other out when needed. Just keep us updated earlier next time so we can plan properly.
That's the spirit. Alright, now that everyone heard, let's continue with our discussion or campaign adjustment. Doni, could you walk us through the revised marketing strategy? After that, Winners can present her update visual.
Sure, Previa. Based on the feedback from the last week's session, I've simplified the key message structure and adjust the ad copy to make it more customer oriented. I'll also show the data trend that support the change. Once we review that, we can finalize the deck by tomorrow morning.
That sounds perfect. Once you finish explain, I'll present the update layout and explain how the new visual support the brand's tone and emotional appeal. I will also make sure the flow between sections feels seamless for the client presentation.
Excellent. That's what I want to hear, proactive thinking and coordination. Let's get started now. And let's make sure today effort makes up for the late start.
Agreed. Let's turn this day around and make it productive.
I'm all in. Thanks for giving me another chance to prove my reliability. I won't let you down.
That's the attitude. Let's begin. Yay! Alhamdulillah.